forward. Look at the back. Stairs. All just stairs. Everything just stairs. This fruit here is the star fruit. It's really good, but right now these ones are not good. It's when they're yellow, a little bit bigger. If there was one, oh wait, there is up there. That's when it's good. It tastes amazing, guys. This is called ked beef. In Creole, we call it ked beef. And I personally don't eat it myself. I don't really like the taste, but a lot of Seychelles do. It has its health benefits, which I don't know sadly, but I know there are some health benefits to it. This is how it is. It gets a lot bigger than this. This is just a small one. When it's good, it's like red. It gets pretty big, I'd say.
This is 8K, bro. Probably even, bro. It's 16K. You can see all the shadow qualities.
Can I pet that chicken? Can I pet that chicken?
Bro, that's a rooster.
Is that a cock or a rooster? That's a rooster. Can I pet that rooster? Can I pet that rooster?
I'll be like, look, can you check if that's the way? And then like, then when you guys respawn, we'll
You could see the airport from here. So who's up to doing food? You doing first? I'm not going first. Why?
chill, man, chill.
Watch them, not violent.
chill, man, 我是鱼呢，我是鱼。
Yeah guys, this is one of the best stores. To be honest, it's the best store for chocolate. It's called Papa Gisik. So yeah, let's take you a look at this. He made a little flag out of chocolate here. So yeah, off the bat it looks super good. Got some chocolate here. The store looks absolutely good.
Let's spin this one around.
So yeah, you also want this? I want to do a taste test. Which one?
I'll try coconut.
Which one?
Coconut's nice. Coconut's nice.
I'm gonna try the coconut.
That one not right now. 5 out of 5.
That's actually good.
It's really good.
I wanna try one more.
Another one.
Free tooth good too, man. Which one will be better between cashew and peanut? Cashew. There you go.
Strong taste.
You know what? I think this one might be my favorite. This
Like
one,
it?
5 out of 5. They're both 5 out of 5.
Which one's the best?
I will go for this one.
I like this one, the coconut one.
The last time I had that,
Oh, this looks so nice, guys. Look at this. I made it in a bottle.
hazelnut, cashew. I'm gonna go for.
Takamaka or
Nah, this one.
what?
Chocolate with hazelnut. Yeah, cashew.
Like the nuts.
Bruh.
This is a cashew paste and a hazelnut.
What do you say? The accent.
Sounds about that's what he said. That's good.
Sensational.
I like this one. Definitely recommended. Definitely recommended. Come check this place out. If you ever get the
Already
chance to
did.
come to Seychelles.
It's absolutely amazing, man.
You want one, big man? I'll drink it with you. Appreciate it.
So you're gonna pass the net again. You
Oh,
can
yeah?
take a video of it.
Sure.
Good one, okay? Have you eaten sashimi?
As soon as you get on the drone, then do it.
Boss, man, we rent our jet ski. Yeah, solo.
So
Go
the
ahead.
green there
Yeah.
to the green there. Don't go further than that.
Live.
And if you can go not touch it.
That's it, pure?
Yeah, that's not bad. No, and when you do it, you can do like some, you know, some.
Okay.
What?
Go start man.
Yeah, man.
Over.
Okay.
Then yeah.
Okay.
Oh, actually.
Okay.
Check it out. Go to Jetski.
Okay. C'est tout?
Yep.
Okay.
Je fais ça pour ça.
Passe à niveau. Okay. Work. Merci.
Okay.